Stop. Don't trade today until you see this. Until you see this before you trade. Average is 001 here. Let's break down the market and let's see what the market has for us. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the time zone you are turning in from. Happy new week. May this week favor us and we all be successful and profitable in this trading journey and in other skills we are doing. Yesterday I was unable to draw the analysis because I was not around. But today we are going deep inside into the market. Let's see what the market has for us. For my all subscriber, to all my subscriber, I appreciate. To those of you my video just pump up into your screen, kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification also so that you'll be the first person to learn from the next video. So let's quickly dive into the chat. Before we go into the chat, let's see what the market asks for. Let's see what the fundamental analysis asks for us. Maybe there's what USA news or the Europe, or let's see the news we have. This is it. Today is what? Today is Tuesday and 23. There's no GBP news, there's no USD news, and there's no card news. We did not trade card, there's no Euro news. So this is what the market has for us. Let's move into the chart and let's see what the chart has for us. Yeah, this is the chart. Let's start from our tissue, from our sliver. This is what we have, and we started from monthly time frame. This is what the market is giving us. You can see this is the higher high, this is our key level. I'm expecting the market to come to this key level. General overview of the market is the uptrend. Seriously, we are buying the market, but what the market is doing is a correctional movement, is a retracement, is a retracement movement. So before we continue the uptrend, is it if the market does not stop on this key level, it's coming to this key level. So you can see, and if this scale on there is what multiple rejection key level here, this will, before market broken, its market will come before going up. So let's just be focused. Seriously, let's just be focused. So let us be focused. Let's see what the market has for us. So this is a correctional movement. So those are the key level we are expecting the market to mitigate before you can continue the uptrend. So let's move to weekly time frame. This is our weekly time frame. All what we just have our key level. This is the last high market created, and we are at the bottom of the candle. This one we cannot be so this does not give us structure, and this is another structure in a key level, and this is another structure key level, and this is the what this is the low. You can see this is the low that give us this high. This is the low that give us this high, and this is the low that give us this high. So this is what we are having in the market. So let's just all what you just need is just be it's just we should be patient. These are the weekly key level, and these are weekly key level. Those are our key. So we move to daily time frame. Since we have plotted our key level, we have know where the market is going, and you can see on daily time frame, you can see this is what the market is giving us. Market is giving us downtrend. All what we just need to do on daily time frame is just our swing high and our swing low to see the recent trend of the market. And this is our demand here. There is demand here, so let's be waiting if this demand is going to send the market back. Yes. So this is demand zone over here. And you can see this is the last break construction, and this is the man that gave us this what option. So if market reach here, it will react. So let's see if market reach here, it will react because this is a major key level, and let's see if this key level is going to push the market up. So this is the first react. If market reach here also, it will react because there's key level here also. There's key level here also. Let's just say let's see demand also. It's a demand zone, but this cannot push the market up, but it will react if the market reach it. So definitely the market is coming here. This is our TP. So since we have plotted we have know the recent trend. This is the down trend. So this is the way the market is coming. But if we reach here first, yeah, let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is our 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is giving us. You can see if market reach here, it's going to react before we can continue the downtrend. And if we can read the structure of the market, this is the true structure of the market. You can see the downtrend, and this is the what? This is the last break of structure market gave us to uptrend. And when market reach here, market try to push it down. You can see this means resistance. You can see this with this the key level has turned to resistance. So this is what we are having. And let's just create the structure. If we can read the structure, this is the demand that we are expecting the market to push it up. But unfortunately, what the market did, the market broken it, turned to breaker block. So there is another break of structure here. Market turned this as liquidity swept. You can see this is a liquidity swept market. After market swept this liquidity, market mitigated this. This our breaker block and what give us another liquidity swept. You can see. So if we said we should read this trend now, this is what the market is giving us. You can see internal break of structure. You can see what the market is giving us. This is the internal break of structure to downtrend. So definitely, this is what this is our order block now. Because market give us break of structure here. Market structure shifts mitigated break of structure. So this is our next opportunity. We are taking the opportunity. This place is our support as order block. As for me, because this is another block for me, but let's just and inside that you can see there's FEG here. So definitely we are expecting the market to come back here before I can see a huge downtrend again. I can't call this supply. I cannot call this supply because it does not break this trend. This is the main supply because this is the supply. This is supply. If this supply is going to break the trend, but this is our order block. We find order block inside supply or demand. So this is what the market is giving us, and we are taking our TP here. You can see the opportunity. So let's call out the coordinates so that let's put out the coordinates. We are selling from here. So this is where the opportunity is. So let's let's call out the coordinates. The entry price. This is our entry price now. Our take profit. Our stop trade. You can see this is what we are having. This is what we are having. So this is what we are having. We are selling the market from here. This is the opportunity we are having here now. So this is the opportunity. We are still continuing the sell. We are continuing the sell. So let's move to gold. Let's see what gold has for us also. Let's say for monthly time frame. This monthly time frame, you can see what the market has for us on monthly time frame. The monthly time frame is telling us uptrend. You can see, but these are key level. Market is coming here because the FEG is stepping here. The buyer are here waiting for the market to continue the buy. If this buy production hold there, so what the key level here. If this key level, definitely this is the last key level that is going to hold to push the market up. So let's see what the market is having for us now. So this is a correctional movement, and this is the last I give it, the market give us. We plot it, we put the key level at the body of the candle because this is the week that give us the higher high. Let's move to weekly time frame. What do we do on weekly time frame? Let's just find our key level. These are key level here. You can see because it's the one that give us this higher high, and this is the low now. This is the low at the body or at the body of the dark candle. And we are having another key level here. You can see in which we are having another key level here. After the market broke it, it will retest back. You can see, and this is the key level we are still having on daily time frame. So this is what we are having, but you can see the FEG. We are expecting the market to come back here. This is where we are expecting the buyer to enter again. This is where we are expecting the buyer to enter again. So let's see. This is where the buyer is going to enter again. So we are still in what said. Let's see. Let's move to for daily time frame. So this is our daily time frame. This is the demand daily time frame gave us. This is the last demand. You can see the break of structure, but definitely this demand may not be respected because the market is coming to that the elementary key level before the buyer can enter. So this is this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. So you can so let's plot our swing high and our swing low. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. So you can see what the market is doing. Market is coming what? Market is coming down. This is what the market is doing. Market mitigate this FEG. So let's just continue our downtrend. Let's continue our downtrend. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is giving us. This is what I'm reading in the market. You can see this is the break of structure. You can see the downtrend is valid. Another break of structure here. And I'm having a liquidity swept here. Market supposedly, I'm expecting market to come to this FG, but market mitigated this. You can see market mitigated this and continue the downtrend. So let's just see the internal structure now. This is the last break of structure market gave us. We don't need this is the previous one. This is what market structure shifts. So all what we just need now, all what we just need, this is the last break of structure. And this is other block for me. This is not the man zone. It's an other block for me because it does not give us break of structure. So So this is what this is other block. Demand and supply zone is where the buyer enter and where the seller enter. This other block serve as where the institutional enter. This is where the institutional enter, that institutional can come back there and continue the sell. So this is where the sell is going to, this is where the sell is continue. They are selling the market. So this is what I'm expecting the market also. This is a liquidity shift. So this is market structure shift. Break of structure, other block. Market couldn't come back to this other block, but market what it was other block. So definitely the downtrend what is valid. Let's just be patient. The downtrend is valid. This is where we are selling the market again into this demand zone, into this key level demand zone before we can see what before you can see a reaction. So let's write out the coordinates back. Since I've seen the opportunity on bigger time frame, I was not bothering to go to 15-minute time frame again. And I think on sliver I did not go to 15-minute time frame. So I think I did not go to 15-minute time frame. On 1 hour time frame on sliver also safe. So let's go to 15-minute time frame and let's go to 1 hour time frame on this gold, and let's see what the market has for us. So this is the coordinates. Let's be expecting sell again. We are expecting the sell again. So this is what I'm having on gold and silver. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what the 1 hour time frame is doing. You can see what 1 hour time frame is giving us. It's the same thing. So let's let's continue. Let's continue the sell again. We are selling. Yeah, sell. As for me, I'm still selling the market. The market is a what? Is a sell. So let's continue the sell again. This is where we are selling the market. So let's on what? On 15-minute time frame. It's the same thing. As you can see, it's the same thing. Let's continue the sell. We are still selling the market. So let's see what is happening on Steven 1 hour time frame also. On sliver 1 hour time frame is the same thing. So don't let us bother ourselves with the same thing. It's the same thing. On 15-minute time frame sliver, as you can see, it's the same thing. It is the same thing. It's the same thing. So let's move to US 30. Let's see what US 30 has for us. This is US 30 for monthly time frame. You can see these are the key level. These are the key level. So let's move to weekly time frame. All what we just need to do on weekly time frame. Let's see what we just have to do on weekly time frame. As for me, this is the key level. You can see this is the key level. But this market give us another higher high here. You can see this is the key level. So let's see what the market is doing. All what we just have now. Let's go to the daily time frame. Since we have now our key level on weekly time frame, let's go to for our daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is what we are having here. You can see the last break of structure here. This is the last break of structure, and we are having this is our swing high, this swing low, and we are having swing high. These are previous swing high. No, these are previous swing low. and these are previous swing high here. You can see these are previous swing high here. So let's see what the market is trying to do. Seriously. But on daily time frame, the market is giving us the vibes of uptrend. But this demand zone, we don't know what the market is going to do for it. Well, as for me, the demand zone is not valid because it does not retrace 50%. A demand zone supposed to retrace 50%. If you retrace 50%, we can say it is valid because these are Fibonacci retracement and these are our previous higher high. You can see the market is in this red zone and we cannot take trade. But we don't know what the market is going to do. Maybe we're going to continue the uptrend. So let's just see what the market is doing. But as for now, this is where we are going to buy. But I'm know that this place may serve as liquidity later. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. If you redefine it, these are demand, and if you can see, it's giving us break of structure. This is the break of structure the 4 hour time frame is giving us. So this is what the market is trying to do for us. This is what the market is doing to for us. This is the FEG market first respected. You can see this is the FEG market expected. So, as for me, this market is in what is in downtrend. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see where we can buy, like where we can sell the market. This is what is going. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. We are having break of structure here. You can see the break of structure here. Seriously, but we don't know what this 1 hour is going to do because I'm still having FED here. You can see the FED over here. But on this FED on 1 hour time frame, we are still bad. Market come back to this other block and trying to push it down. So let's see where we can continue the sell. So we don't know what this FEG is going to do. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. After a liquidity share, market give a break of structure. So continue the downtrend. Let's see if the market can broken this. If this market give us downtrend, broken this, definitely will continue the downtrend. But as for now, we guys be patient because market is in what is in this zone. So I will what I can say is just to be patient because this zone is what market is in this zone. So we guys be patient. All we just need now, let's see break of structure. If I see break of structure, I will call out the coordinates back on it. So I will call out the back on my Twitter. So go to my Twitter, you will see the coordinates. So this is what I'm having. So I cannot call out anything now. So you can no no maybe this FE will still push it up to mitigate this FE because there's FEG here. We can see a downtrend. But on 4 hour time frame, the FEG there's no FEG there. But on 1 hour time frame, 1 hour is going to give us FEG up. So let's see the 15-minute time frame. 15 minute two is not giving us FEG. You can see 15 minutes two. 15 minute two is not giving us FEG. So let's what we just need that the market is giving us the type of downtrend. But let me see where we can sell the market. This FEG has already closed. All we just need now is just to wait for the market to give us break of structure before we can continue the downtrend. Seriously, all this is what I can just say. Or we should just say market broken with full body candle, really test and continue the downtrend. That is what I can just say. But for now, I cannot call the coordinates out. Seriously, I cannot call out the code. I cannot call out the coordinates. Seriously. So let's move. Let's see what we are having on GU. Let's see GU. Let's see GU. This is GU for monthly time frame. These are the key level I plotted out. As for me, there is key level here because this is support to resistance. This is a key level support to resistance here, and this is a key level support here. And you can see this is the key level also support here. So now, so what I'm expecting now is just a recent key level. You can see this key level, this key level, there's key level here is going to give us this high, but this key level has started here is going to push it up. There's key level here. Market respected that key level. You can see first touch, second touch. Market respected it, push it down, touch it again, push it down before it can broke it. So let's be expecting the key level. This key level should push it up again. Seriously, I'm expecting the market to push it up from this key level. So this is the key level I'm expecting. I'm expecting the sell again. Marketing, I'm expecting the buy to this key level. So let's move to 4 hour the weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is our key level here. You can see, as for me, this is another key level also here. And these are key level, these are key level here. So all what we just need just to be patient. You can see the market is giving us the value of down is correctional movement to downtrend. So this is the key level I'm expecting the sell to mitigate it before I can see any buy. So let's move to weekly daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is giving us. This is daily time frame. This is the last break of structure we are having on daily time frame. You can see as gold is selling, gold and silver they are selling. US 30 will be selling also. GU and EU will be selling also. GBP will be going up. If gold is going up, so there is these are our what swing low. These are our swing high. But as for me, this swing low may serve as liquidity later because I'm having what monthly key level here which has FEG to close before we can continue the uptrend. So this may serve as liquidity. So let's just continue this research trend. This is the recent trend we are having now. This is break of structure. They call internal break of structure. So this result has minus supply. Seriously, this result has minus supply because this is the last break of structure to uptrend. So market broken it on to what? Market broken it on to breaker block, and breaker block is used one. So this breaker block is no more valid again. Since market has touched it, mitigated it, and give us the sell, so it's not valid again. All what we just need is just to find where we can sell the market. I'm still seeing this as liquidity for me. I'm still seeing this as liquidity because I'm having key level here. So this monthly key level is the one that I'm expecting the sell to mitigate it. So let's move to 4 hour time frame to see the recent trend on 4 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 4 hour time frame. I'm having break of structure here. So this is the break of structure I'm having, and I'm having what other block here. So you can see this is what I'm having. So the market is in that trend, but we don't see the market is in that trend. So this is the FEG that market mitigated. This FEG. Let's see if the market reaches 50%. If it reaches 50%, definitely the market is what the that trade is what it has started. You can see it's reached more than 50%, 61.80%. So let's just, as for me, we got to continue the natural trend. Let's go to daily time, 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. After market may swept this may serve as liquidity swept. You can see this may serve as liquidity swept. So let's just find a way to continue the sell. I think this if this wants to go, it's going to come with this is one. So, but as for now, I'm saying as liquidity swept. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. This is what the market just give us. Markets just give us market structure shift for here. You can see the market structure shift, and this has already mitigated. This may serve as liquidity later because there's FEG here. This will serve as order block, and we are having that trend here. This is what we are having. I'm still selling the market, so let's see. This is what I'm having. I'm still selling the market to this into this one again. So let me write out the coordinate out. Let me write out the coordinates seriously. This is the downtrend. So this will serve as liquidity. We just follow the trend. We don't need to say this is what market will do for us. Follow the trend and leave the market. As I used to say, missing trade is better than losing trade. Seriously. As I used to say, missing trade is better than losing trade. So let's just be focused on win. Let's just be focused. If we are focusing on winning, be focusing on losing also, because the loss will serve as what, as mistake for the loss will serve as what, learning for you that this is where my mistake is. This is where our mistake is, yes. So I think the English is correct, abi. So those of you that study English, because me, I'm not too good with English. I'm not going to try. So I'm trying to push myself in that English. I don't want to be spoken. I don't want to be speaking it broken. That broken is not for me. So this is where you are selling the market. So let's move to EU. Let's see what EU has for us. For monthly time frame, you can see what the market is doing. These are key level. These are support. You can see multiple rejection support to resistance. So multiple rejection here support before market broken, and there is multiple rejection here inside here. You can see the multiple rejection before market push before market broken in. So definitely let's be expecting the market to come to this monthly key level. Let's move to weekly time frame. As for me, this is similar. These are our swing. These are key level here. At the body of the candle, these are key level here also. At the body of the candle. And this is what the market is doing. We are seeing break of structure. This is our key level here. This is the key level here. This will serve as previous key level for me because it is a key level. Market may respect is also. So this is what we are having. So let's move to daily time frame. On daily time frame, this is what I'm having. This is our last break. You can see what this is our last break of structure on daily time frame. And what I'm having, this is what I'm expecting. This is what this swing high and the swing low. So since what is happening now, since we are having monthly key level here, so let's just be patient. Let us be patient. We guys be patient too. Seriously, we guys be patient. So let's move to daily time frame. These are our daily time frame. This is what the market is giving us on weekly time frame. I'm seeing break of structure. On weekly time frame, this is what I'm seeing now. You can see this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing. Also, this is break of structure. And you can see how the downtrend is valid. So let's move to 4 hour time frame to see where we can sell the market again. This is 4 hour time frame. This will serve as inducement. Inducement. So this is what the market is trying to give us. Market has given us. This is what the market is giving us. Market has mitigated this FED here. You can see this FED has already mitigated. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Sorry for that. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what we are having. So the market is not giving us opportunity yet. Let's move to daily time, weekly, 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. You can see what the market is giving us on 15-minute time frame. And this is the last break of structure market is giving us. On 15-minute time frame, I'm seeing break of structure here. Inside that break of structure, you can see I'm seeing other block here. Well, market is expecting FEG now, and it's expecting the FEG, but this will serve as our FEG now. So let's put our at the middle of the what of the FEG. Let's see what we are having into this key level back again. This is what I'm seeing, and this is what the market is giving us. You can see the downtrend. What was we just need now is just to be continuing the downtrend. You don't need anything. It's just be continuing the downtrend. So market is giving us downtrend. We got to be continuing the downtrend into this zone back again. So let's just be continuing the downtrend. I'm still continuing the downtrend. So let me call out the coordinates. So let's call out the coordinates. So this is our entry. Our take profits. Our stop trade. Our stop trade. So this is what we are having. We are having sell limit from here. So this is the opportunity the market is giving us. So let us be patient. Let us be patient. Let us be patient. We are selling the market. So let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ has for us. For monthly time frame, you can see the key level. This is the key level. This is the last high market. The market is in this high market is trying to give us another high. So these are the key level. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is the last break of structure market is giving us on weekly time frame now. But the buy is what? This is what? This is the key level, and this is the key level. I'm still expecting buy. So let's move to daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. This is our what? This is our swing low, and this is our swing high now. So this is the demand zone. We are expecting the market to mitigate it. This is demand zone. After this demand zone, there is key level here. We're having FEG here, and that FEG is valid FEG. The reason why I said it's valid FEG because what monthly key level is there. The buy is going to happen over there. So there's monthly key level over there. So the buy is going to happen over there. Let's just be patient. So let's just see the recent trend now. All we just have is just the recent trend. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what we can see. You can see we can see the FEG. So the FEG is valid. So we are buying from here. All this one we saw as trend line liquidity from here. All this we saw as trend line liquidity, but those one we do not need this one today anymore. So let's just see. Unless if we see the market is coming down, so this is valid. So this is what I'm seeing. This is a liquidity set on what on 4 hour time frame. Liquidity set on 4 hour time frame. So this is what we are having on 4 hour time frame. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Can see 1 hour time frame is giving us the vibe of what break of structure, but it's break of structure on 4 hour time frame. Seriously, this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing, but this is a liquidity shift. You can see on 4 hour time frame it is a liquidity shift, but on 1 hour time frame is giving us vibe of break of structure. But if this green candle break it, close this high, you can say the break control is found. The what the So if you want to buy this opportunity, let's just see. On 1 hour time frame, market is not giving us short trend. Seriously. After market mitigated here, market give us swept liquidity over here. You can see this is a liquidity swept over here. So on 1 hour time frame, we still have a FD down here. There is a FD over here on 1 hour time frame. So let's move to the 2 minute time frame. This is the recent trend that the market is giving us. Market is giving us the vibe of uptrend. So let's be patient and follow this uptrend. So me, let's be patient and follow this trend. But how are we going to follow this trend now? This trend is not that's not giving me it gave me liquidity straight on what on 4 hour time frame, and you can see the liquidity straight on that time frame also on 1 hour time frame also. But if probably the market is coming down, there's FED here. US dollar is in uptrend, seriously. US dollar is in uptrend. This one 50 minute time frame. Unless we can buy the market from here. Unless we can buy the market from there because this is the higher market given this market structure shift, and this will serve as liquidity. So if we want to buy the market, we are buying the market from here again. Our stop loss will be here. There's no news today, Sha. There's no news today. So let's see the market can give us into this some of them. So let's make color. Let's see the coordinates. Our entry, our take profit, and our stop trade. So I mean this is what we are having. So let's see if the market is better. So let's move to GG. Let's see what GG has for us. Let's see what GG has for us. This is GG. For monthly time frame also, this is the key level market is. You can see how the market is expecting this key level. So this is what we are having. These are our listed key level I'm seeing. But let's see if Fibonacci retracement is going to retrace 50% on that. So let's just be focused. Let's see Let's see weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, this is what I'm seeing on weekly time frame. This is our last break of structural market gave us, and this our key level here. You can see market has been taking this key level, and this is our key level again, and this is the last key level. So if market don't want to expect it, so market is coming back here. So this is what I'm seeing at the body of the candle. Seriously, this is the body that give us this high. So at the body of the candle. So let's move to let's move to daily time frame. This is daily time frame now. All the what just have this our swing high. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. This is a major demand for me, expecting the market to come to this demand before I can see it buy. And this is a liquidity. You can see how the liquidity are tormented here because they are weak. You can see how they are dropping the mark. The weak are dropping the liquidity are dropping it. So I'm expecting the market to come to this demand. This is the major demand before I can see a buy. So let's move to forward time frame. This is forward time frame. Let's just read the structure. This is what I'm reading. This is break of structure. This is change of character, and this is break of structure. Break of structure, change of character, and break of structure also. So this is what the market will get the supply. This is supply that give us. So let's see if this market has retraced 50%. So if this market retraces 50%, definitely we can continue the sell. This is the sell. So let's just continue the sell. Let's find the way opportunity is on smaller time frame. So we can find the sell. But market mitigate this FEG. Market mitigated here because this FEG as well because market mitigated here. So let's see what the market is on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is giving us. After a liquidity swept on here, after the liquidity swept here, la la la, oh, oh, oh. So this is what I'm having. So this is what I'm having. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. If we can see a sell opportunity on 15-minute time frame. There is no sell opportunity yet on 15-minute time frame, but this is a liquidity share the market just gave us now. This is a liquidity share the market just gave us now. So let's just say we are looking for sell from this FEG. And selling the market from here into this one. Let me see 1 hour. Let me see the next 1 hour zone that the market supposed to mitigated. So market supposed to mitigated this zone or this zone because there's FEG here. Let's see for our stuff here. Market is coming here. What there's FEG over there. So let's see. Let's move to 15 minutes back. This is 50 minutes. We are taking our entry here from here, this middle of the candle. So, and our stop loss will be above here. So let's write out the coordinates out. Control C. So this our entry. So this is what we are having. Let's add the what? The take profit out. And let's write out our what? Our stop trade out. That's the main number one stop trade. So this is what I'm saying. You can see how the market is giving us. So definitely we are selling the market. GU we are selling. EU we are buying. Let's see if the market can come here. Uh, UJ we are buying. EU we are selling. GU we are selling also. Yeah, this is US 30. Let's see what 1 hour US 30 did. Now before we can sell, we are selling. You can see the market has not given us structure. The market is giving us liquidity, but the market lifts FEG up. So this, let's say the market is coming to this FEG before we can see a downtrend or this FEG. We don't know the FEG that is very strong. So you don't know the FEG that is very strong. There is what FEG, and there is what there's daily key level here. So definitely this daily key there, this daily previous swing high, swing low, previous swing high may try to push it down. Let's see what the market has for us. This sell is not, I don't like this 7. I will not call out the corner because I'm not feeling like it's going to sell. But no, I can't control the market. I just have to print out what the market has for us. So let's see. You can see we are selling from here. So let's be updated. On Steve also, we are still selling. We are still selling from here. So let's be expecting the sell. Let's be expecting the sell. But let's move to 50-minute time frame. If you can see small sell on 50-minute time, you can see what the market is doing. Market just gave us a result of that block here on 50-minute time frame. This break of short draw. So this is other block. There is no news today. So let's see if the market is going to just be dishing out instead of waiting for that bigger time frame opportunity. Let's just take 1 ratio 3 out of this. You can see. Let's see on good also. Let's see good also. Good also. This is the last break of structure on good. Break of structure. Another block. Let's just take 1 ratio 3 out of this also. So if the market does not expect this 50-minute time frame opportunity, definitely is expecting that higher time frame opportunity. You can see this is what I'm saying. If you want to this opportunity, you want to take it, you can see this is the entry, this is the take profits, and this is what stop trade. On Stever also, this is the opportunity, the entry, This is the take profit. This is what stop trade. So this is the opportunity we are seeing on the market today. So I don't let's see what we are having on Sliver also. Sorry, I said Sliver on BTC and on what Ethereum. This is what I'm saying. I'm still expecting the market to come down seriously on BTC. I'm still expecting the market to come down. Let's move to a weekly time frame. As you can see the key level. This is the key level here. We have key level over here. So this key level is the one that gives us the big correction strong. We have key level here also. Because it's the one that gives us this break. It's the one that gives us this higher. We have key level here also. So let's see what the market is trying to do. So let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's move to the daily time frame. This is liquidity swept. Market indicated this. This is our swing high. This is the swing low. This is the liquidity swept, and this is the swinger. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is what the 15-minute time frame is giving us. This is what this is the last supply market mitigated because it gave us what? It gave us break of structure here. So let's just see this market and continue the downtrend. This is what the market is giving us. Because all these are what liquidity swept. Can see I'm not anticipating for buy anymore. I've quickly changed my direction since the market. I've seen the structure that already. This is the direction. So let's quickly sell the market. We are selling the market. This is a liquidity shift also. You can see this is week of structure. This is change of character. And market has mitigated this opportunity. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to see the opportunity. Market has mitigated this opportunity. So this is what the market is giving us now. So this FEG, the market has not created FEG yet. But on 1 hour time frame, this is what the 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is the next FEG market gave us on 1 hour time frame. This is what I block for me. And I have FEG here also. So let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's move to the 15-minute time frame. This is 15 minutes. If market give us break of short on 15-minute time frame, definitely we are taking level. But on 1 hour time frame, this is what the market is giving us. This is another block market is giving us. So we are selling from here also. Let's sell the market for now. Because this is the last break of short market gave us. This is not opportunity for me. So this is the low. This is the low. So So let's see what the market has for us, because this you can see the body. So this is what this is a liquidity shed. So this is the market is broken this opportunity from here. So let's see, and this was the skill every year. Let's just see market can retrace it from here. Can continue that trend from here, but let's see what the market has for us. Let's see Ethereum. See, Ethereum has been giving us that trend from monthly time frame. This is what the Ethereum is giving us. You can see the key level. This is key level here, bro. Market has what rockets. There's this major key level. Let's see. Let's move to daily time frame. This is daily time. This is weekly time frame. These are the key level here. You can see. And this give us this and this give us this ones. Because market come back to it, break it again. So this this is liquidity. So this show the liquidity again. So market is coming back here. Yeah, this is the major one, because this is the one that give us this higher high. This is the one. You can see all this one are eternal. It's the one that gives us this higher high. So definitely the market is coming. Yeah. So let's just be focused. All this one are eternal killer seriously. Ain't gonna kill it because market is going to respect it. So that's it. That's it. So let's move to daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is what the market is doing. This is our swing low. This is our swing high. So let's move to weekly time frame. No, 4 hour time frame. Market expected this opportunity here. This is the supply zone market expected. So we got really the structure now. This change of character. This is change of character. This is very close structure. Sorry. The market mitigated this key level will give us that trend. So this is what the market is giving us now. So this is what I'm saying. This is break of structure. And this is what break of structure. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to see the trend on minute of it. This is break of structure on minute of it. And we're having a question. You can see this opportunity is not. You guys be patient. You guys look for FEG before you can sell. We are selling the trend. You guys look for valid FEG. Let's move to 15 minute time frame if we see any valid FEG. So this is the opportunity market just created on 15 minute time frame. Let's just take this 15 minute time frame opportunity. So we are selling the market from here. So we are selling. So these are the opportunity we are having today. So peace and love. Have a successful and have a profitable week ahead, the week ahead and days ahead. Today is going to be our day and success is ours. So enjoy your day. Thanks.